How to use DeepSeek version 3 AI model online. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. Here's how you can use it. Start by searching for DeepSeek version 3 on Google and click on the official link. I've added the link in the description for easy access. On the website, you will find two options. Access the API or try the model. Choose the option to try the model and sign in to get started. The interface is user-friendly and offers features like file uploads, web search, and a deep thinking option for solving reasoning problems. The best part, it's fully open source, giving users transparency and flexibility. For those who want to learn more about its benchmarks or technical details, you can check out its GitHub or Hugging Face pages by searching for DeepSeek version 3. And that's it, a simple and free way to use a powerful AI model. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if for more tutorials like this.